good morning everybody. So we made it here to the Grand Cenote. Admission fee is $25 per person or 500 pesos per person. Only one entry, so make sure you have everything. You need your towels, your cameras.
Day 2, we begin our journey at Grand Cenote. Day 3, I'm sorry, day 3. We were one of the first few people here. And it's really nice. Cold showers this time at Iquios, but it started raining really hard now. Here you go. Not that bad.
We never took
We do have the towels.
Yes. We're in the tropical area.
Been on and off all day.
And then on and off, so it shouldn't last long. It should be pretty quick.
This one, the clouds are a lot darker than last time.
Yeah, it's coming in too, not going out.
No, there doesn't look to be any breaks in the clouds from what I can see. But that's fine. We're back at our hotel.
Back at our hotel.